Hey, good morning, folks. I'm down here at the Elk Creek access area. Of course, Elk Creek is really high because of all the rain, but look at the ice jam right here. The boat launch. Yeah, this is a boat launch, believe it or not. I'm gonna try to get close to the creek here. Boy, that water is really flowing today. Kind of rainy down here still. It still hasn't quite quit raining. Look at this. Wow. Look at this jam right here. And then the creek itself. Look at this. Wow. Pretty impressive. Giant chunk of ice just broke off. Flowing down the creek now. Look at that. Still got some fog going on. Enjoy your day, folks.